Hey guys, and today we're going to do another food review, and it is on the Dairy Queen Blizzard Cotton Candy. Give me this fancy Guardians of the Galaxy 2 cup. Ain't never tried one of these, so figured we'd give it a go together. Bottoms up. Woo! That's rich. Extremely rich. As in flavor, sugar. Woo! That richness has to come from the cotton candy. Woo. Very rich. If you don't like stuff that's super sweet, imagine cotton candy times 10. That's this. Wow. That is strong cotton candy flavor. And I ain't a big fan of cotton candy. Whew. But I guess it lives up to its name, the Cotton Candy Blizzard. If you like cotton candy, I recommend this to you. But if you ain't into extreme cotton candy taste and richness and sugar, then no, just let this one pass you by, because I can't eat no more of it. It's just too stout for me. But like I said, give it a try if you're into cotton candy and extreme flavor and sugar. If you ain't worried about nothing like that. And I hope you enjoyed this short review of this Dairy Queen Blizzard. And until next time, I'll see you then. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily content.